GPT-4 is now able to reflect on the response and produce an even better output. It appears that after the likes of Elon Musk and other prominent figures in the AI industry ceased training models beyond GPT-4, something remarkable has occurred. To illustrate, observe the graph which shows that success without reflection is linear, while the success with reflection, indicated by the blue line, is growing at an almost exponential rate. In a simple test, GPT-4 without self-reflection obtained a score of 67%, whereas when reflection was added, the score increased to 88%. This improvement is significant, and the method is uncomplicated. The model generates an answer and checks whether it is correct. If not, it apologizes and generates a new response. So not only have people figured out that GPT-4 can retrain itself, but a YouTuber by the name of Firebase has managed to communicate with GPT-4 with the help of a compact electroencephalogram, also known as an EEG. He used a crown made by the company Neurosity. To understand how he did this, we first have to understand something about brain waves. When you're asleep, your brain emits low-frequency delta waves at around 2 Hz. These waves increase their frequency when you're awake and relax as they become alpha waves at around 10 Hz. And then finally, when you're heavily focused, like writing a test, they become gamma waves at around 35 Hz, which is what this compact EEG measures. Neurosity allows you to train an algorithm to recognize your thought patterns, such as biting into a lemon. This is what the YouTuber used to signal ChatGPT-4 to perform a certain task. He used the dashboard to train the algorithm to recognize him biting into a lemon and rushing in between for around 30 times. As you can see here, after he trains the algorithm, he can recognize whenever he thinks about biting into a lemon with a scary amount of accuracy. He then uses JavaScript to collect the raw data that's picked up by the crown. The brainwaves that are collected by the crown are broken into 8 different channels. Of course, analyzing this raw data is going to be a huge hassle with pure programming, but luckily the Neurosity SDK allows the user to monitor for certain observables, like when the user is focused, calm, or when recognizes a thought pattern such as biting into a lemon. From here, the YouTuber was able to use OpenAI's API to access GPT-4 to complete any task like fetching the latest news. If that didn't surprise you, this definitely should. A Twitter user by the name of Joshua Browder asked ChatGPT to browse the web and search for unclaimed money in his home state, California. And here's the response he got back. He says, the first idea it came up with was to visit the obscure government website, California State Controller. He says, this website holds unclaimed refunds for companies that can't contact you. It gave me a link with step-by-step instructions on what to do. And here are the instructions he followed to get back his $209. The user claimed that the only thing that was stopping him from getting this automatically was because of captchas in his bank account and in the government website itself.